If you go right, you're gonna go left, and if you go left, you're gonna go right.
If you're gonna be flying, having a license is definitely a good thing to have.
You got it!
We did 2 career education camps this summer, and this one was the next step in our partnership with SBCC. Coastline is an HSI, and it's really critical that we're serving our community and meeting them where they are. During these camps, our faculty present about their fields and talk about the degrees and certificates that lead to high-wage, in-demand jobs. For this camp, we had a day on our cybersecurity program, a day on our business and supply chain programs, and a day on our digital media and drone program. There's nothing like seeing the participants flying drones for the first time. For cybersecurity, they learned about digital privacy and also got to see a guest speaker, someone who actually works in the field.
It was a really cool experience. I don't really do things like this that much, but knowing that I was able to come here today was actually very nice.